Morning, guys. It's a little bit over 6 today. I woke up pretty early. I think I woke up at, well, it's every day the same. Like, I don't know what Abby was saying. Like, I wake up at 20 past 5, I think. 25 past 5. Yeah, got ready and then came out. I was hoping to have the sun. But I'm seeing there is a lot of pollen in the air. And yesterday in particular, I felt really tired, and even today I feel really tired, and I feel like my eyes are really itchy. So I think it's because of the pollen, because there is like a lot, and yeah, I feel like weird, like tired, and kind of like allergy type of tiredness. So I will blame the pollen, or it can also be the fact that I'm studying every day and sitting in front of the computer. I'm really looking into buying a standing desk, and because I still have another a year and a half, maybe two, to like study. So I need another type of like ergonometry, or have to choose between standing and sitting, because it's very, very important for having your brain active. At least for me, whenever I sit too long down, my brain just becomes like so stagnant, and my ideas are not flowing. My writing, everything is just, it's just like you know. So yeah, I'm gonna get that. Yes, what else? Yesterday I went and played volleyball again. I love volleyball so much. But my hands are hurting me. The guys had like a really, really hard ball, and my ball that I normally have, it's slightly softer, but I didn't have air in it, and I don't have like a needle for the pump to like be able to put air inside. So yeah, we did play with the hard one, but still it was fun. It's just that now today I do feel the pain on my arms and fingers. Yes, so let's see how is the lake today. Yesterday it was cold. Yesterday was pretty cold though, I have to say. It was cold. Even when I got outside from the lake, it was so cold, and it took me longer to warm up, and my hands and my feet were freezing up. And yes, oh my god, yeah, my eyes are really itchy, especially here at the end. So let's see. Oh my, there is where are you? There is this mosquito keep following me. There is a mosquito following me. I think some of you are asking like there are no insects now. I think now are coming, starting to come out. But this mosquito, I hope he's not. Is he biting me? No. He's been following me from the beginning of the entrance, and he just keeps wanting to like sit here, somewhere here, because he's a vampire, and that's what vampires do. Ha 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 ha. Or something like that. Oh dear, I guess this is the only place where he has access to blood, because the other places I'm just fully covered and dressed. Alright, good. Enough talking. Let's go in the lake.